Hello guys, and welcome to today's video where I'm doing a standalone video on the entry-level certificate Mathematics 5930/3 externally set assignment component 3, and it's the ratio section. Right guys, this video was filmed and recorded on Wednesday the 18th of August 2021, and it's going to be live at 2:30 p.m. on Wednesday. Okay, and calculators are allowed for this paper. Okay, right guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Abdallah Wahishi and I'm a recently qualified mathematics teacher for secondary and primary. I'm currently doing walkthrough solutions to GCSE Maths for the foundation and higher tier for the OCR, AQA and Edexcel spec. If you found this video useful, then please drop the video a like. Okay, press the subscribe button and also press the bell icon so you don't miss out on further and regular uploads on my channel. Okay, and also guys, please share my videos around and share my channels around with anyone that might find my videos useful. Okay, for anyone that is studying Key Stage 1, Key Stage 2, Key Stage 3, GCSE A-level maths and A-level further maths as well. Okay, right guys, so it is a 45-minute test. Okay, so please make sure that you have your equipment with you for your test, and we are going to look at the solutions today, work solutions for the paper. Okay. Right guys, question number 1. So this is fill in the missing numbers. 4 plus 5 equals 3 plus something. Well, 4 plus 5 is 9. Sorry, that's not a good start, sorry. So 4 plus 5 is 9. Equals 3 plus something. Well, it's going to be 3 plus 6. So filling in the gap, okay, so the question mark equals 6 for question 1A. For question 1B, 14 plus 4 equals 11 plus question mark. Well, 14 plus 4 is 18, guys. 18 equals 11 plus something. Okay, question mark. The question mark here is going to be 7. 11 plus 7 is 18, guys. Right, guys, question 1C. 9 take away 3 equals 18 take away something. So 9 take away 3, guys, is 6. 6 equals 18 take away something. Well, 18 take away 12 is 6. Okay, so 18 take away 12 is 6. So 18 subtract question mark, so question mark is equal to 12. Right guys, question 2 part A. Okay, so this one's part A, guys, and this one's part B. So it says shade in 1/2. Well, 1/2 is going to be half of this, so I've got 2 parts here, so I'm going to shade in 1 part out of the 2. Remember that 1/2 means 1 out of 2, guys. Okay, so that's 1 part out of 2 parts. For part B, so shading 1/2, well, I've got 4 parts here, so that's going to be 1/4. 1/4 and another quarter is 2/4, which is equal to 1/2. Because if we think about it, 2/4 is equivalent, i.e. the same as 1/2. Dividing 2 by 2, I get 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Okay. Question number 3, guys. Look at the cards. Okay, take the correct statement. Okay, half of the cards are blank. Well, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I've got 8 in total. The ones that are blank are 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 4 out of 8, which is the same as 1/2. So that is correct. So the first statement is correct. Half of the cards have stripes. Well, I've got 1, 2, 3. 3 out of 8. 3 out of 8 does not equal 1/2. So it doesn't equal 1/2. Therefore, the second statement is incorrect, guys. So it's ticking the first statement only. Question number 4, work out 1/2 of 8. Well, 8 divided by 2 is 4, guys. So remember that when I say 1/2 of something is the same as dividing it by 2, 1/2 of 14 is 7, because double of 7 is equal to 14, guys. Okay. Question number 5, guys. Ellie has 16 beads, so she gives half of them to Johnny. How many beads does she give to him? Well, a half of 16, so 16 divided by 2. So how many 2s go to 16 is 8. So she gives 8 beads to him. Okay. Right, guys. Sorry about the confusion here. So this is actually the link for the past paper. So feel free at the end to obviously come back to question 5 actually and click this link here for the exam paper. Okay. Question number 6. Shade half of the counters. Well, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. A half of 12 is 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, question number 7. Shading 1/3 of the tiles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, 1/3 of 6 is 2. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So 1/3 means 2 tiles. Okay, question number 8, guys. What fraction of the square is shaded? Well, it's 1 out of 4. So it's 1/4. It's 1 out of 4 parts. Question number 9, guys. Work out the next number in this sequence. 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3. So what I'm adding on each time is a half each time. So a half is being added each time. So the next one is going to be 3 plus a half, which is 3.5. Okay. This is question number 10, 10A. Work out a quarter of 20. So a quarter means dividing it by 4. So 20 divided by 4, guys, is equal to 5. Okay, so 4's into 20. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Okay, part B, 1/3 of 18 means 18 divided by 3. So 3's into 18. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, so it's going to be 6. Question 11. Alice has 15 apples. So Jed has twice as many as Alice. So how much does he have? Well, double means times it by 2. So double of 15 is equal to 30, guys. Part B. Harris has 4 times as many as Alice. How much does he have? Well, 15 times 4, okay, is the same as doubling it and then doubling it again. So double of 15 is 30, double 30 again, I get 60. So Harris has 60 apps. Right, guys, question number 15. Circle the 2 fractions that have the same value. Well, a half and 2/4 are what I call equivalent fractions. Okay, so they have the same value. So these two are both the same. Okay, because 1 times 2 is 2 and 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, so they are what I call equivalent fractions. Question 13, guys. Davy raised £10 for charity. Eric raised 3 times as much. How much does Eric raise? Well, 10 times 3, or 10 add 10 add 10, okay, is going to be 30. So Eric raises £30, guys. This is question number 14. Shade 1/4 of this shape. Well, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1/4 is the same as 2/8. So I'm going to shade in 2 of the segments. Okay. Timesing 4 by 2 is 8 and 1 by 2 is 2. Question 15A, guys. What fraction of the shape is shaded? Well, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've got 1 out of a total possible 6. Part B. What fraction of the shape is shaded? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 of it shaded out of a total possible number of 5. So 3/5 is my answer for that question. This is question number 16. 16 part A says work out 1/7 of 35. Well, 1/7 means I'm dividing it by 7. So 35 divided by 7 is equal to 5, guys. Part B, work out 2/3 of 24. Well, 1/3 means that I divide it by 3. So 24 divided by 3 is equal to 8. And I'm going to double my answer because it wants 2/3. Okay? So which is 16. Okay? So it's always like dividing by the denominator and then times your answer by the numerator, if that makes sense. Yeah. Question number 17. Work out 3/5 of 30, or 30 divided by 5 is 6. Multiply my answer by 3, because it's 3/5. I get 18. So the answer for question 17, guys, is 18. Question number 18. Work out 2/5 plus 1/5. Well, when I add fractions with the same denominator, what I do is just add the top numbers together, and keep the bottom number the same. So it's going to be out of 5. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, guys. Part B. 6/7 subtract 4/7. Well, again, it's the same rule here, that when I subtract with the same denominators, i.e. the same bottom numbers, then all I do is subtract the numerators. So 6 take away 4 is equal to 2, guys. This is question number 19. Katie has 50 texts left for 7 days. Does she have enough to send 8 texts a day? Show how you decide. Well, 50 divided by 7 is actually 7 remainder 1. So it's 7 and 1/7. Okay, so she has enough to send 7 texts, but not 8, because 8 times 7 is 56, which is bigger than 50, if that makes sense. So 8 times 7 is 56, and that is greater than 50, okay, which is the amount of text that she has left for the next 7 days. Okay, so she'll be able to send 7 texts and not 8. So the answer is no for that question. Finally, guys, question number 20. Fill in the missing number to make the fractions equivalent. 1/4 equals something out of 12. Well, what do I times 4 by to get to 12? I times it by 3. So 4 times 3 is 12. Same on the top. 1 times 3 is 3. So the question mark equals 3. Okay, so 1/4 is equivalent to 3 out of 12, guys. And that is the end of the paper. Okay, so I hope you found it useful. Any questions, any queries, put it in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said at the start, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and also turn on post notification by pressing the bell icon so you don't miss out on further uploads. And also spread the word, guys, and share my channel around and tell your friends and family and relatives or anyone that might benefit from my Key Stage 3 GCSE or A-Level Maths YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay safe and stay healthy. Bye for now.